Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel files to Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to transform your existing data into an interactive form that can collect new responses directly into your spreadsheet. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Once you're there, look at the left panel where you'll find the plus new button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select File Upload. This is how we'll begin importing your Excel file into the Google ecosystem. Now you'll need to select your Excel file from wherever it's stored on your computer, browse through your folders, locate the file you want to convert, and click Open. Your file will begin uploading to Google Drive. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a moment, so be patient while the upload completes. Once your file is uploaded, head back to the left panel and click on Recent. This view will show you all your recently added files, making it easy to find what you just uploaded. Locate your Excel file in the list, then click on the three dotted lines next to it. This opens up additional options for managing your file. From the menu that appears, select Open With, then click on Google Sheets. This crucial step converts your Excel format into a format that Google can work with seamlessly. You'll see your spreadsheet open up in Google Sheets, preserving all your data and formatting. Now in the upper left corner, click on File and select Save as Google Sheets. This permanently converts your Excel file into a native Google Sheets document, which is necessary for integration with Google Forms. Your file will now exist as a fully editable Google Sheets document. Next, navigate to Google Forms by opening a new tab and going to Google Forms. Select Blank Form to create a new form from scratch. This is where you'll build the actual form that will feed responses back into your converted spreadsheet. In the top toolbar of your new form, click on Responses. This tab controls where your form submissions will be stored. Click on the three dotted lines, and from the drop-down, select Destination for Responses. This feature lets you link your form to an existing spreadsheet rather than creating a new one. In the dialog box that appears, click Select Existing Spreadsheet, then click Select. You'll now see a list of your available Google Sheets files. Find and select the file you just converted from Excel, then click Insert. Finally, click View in Sheets to see your form now connected to your converted Excel data. And there you have it, you've successfully converted your Excel file to Google Sheets and linked it with Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.